Hey guys, Bala here, and we're going to talk about supplements for the next 55 seconds. Supplements are not really the most important part of your nutritional plan, but if you're not able to meet your nutritional requirements through food, then it becomes an important part. Supplements play a minor role in improving a person's body composition. Sports athletes benefit the most by including performance-enhancing supplements. Supplements are broadly categorized into performance-enhancing supplements, health supplements, and sports foods. Some of the best performance-enhancing supplements are caffeine, creatine, ashwagandha, and sodium bicarbonate. Some of the best sports foods are whey protein, carbohydrate drinks. Best health supplements are multivitamin and fish oil. Before you include any particular supplement in a plan, check if it has any side effects. It's a myth that you need fat burners to burn fat. Most fat burners will only burn a hole in your pocket. In some cases, supplements give a psychological boost to sports athletes, and this effect is called placebo effect. To sum it up, supplements help when you supplement well. Thank you. Done?
भैया भैया भैया